Originally, I came in because of my neck, and that was when the office was just a little office. I had problems with anxiety and depression and crazy feeling. I had lost 60 to 70 pounds. I had been to the psych ward. I was reassigned a number of prescriptions: Remeron for sleeping, Effexor for antidepressant, various things. My sister came to visit me, and in the process I says, take me to Dr. Ray again, because I could not get out. I was so anxious and depressed I quit driving, going anywhere. I was homebound. And then we started with Dr. Ray again. This time we went with a full force program. Adjustments, supplements. I began to work on mindset. Little by little, I began to feel better and better and better. My future right now is totally different. I felt like I was going to die. I felt like I wanted to die. Now, with the changing in feelings, little by little by little, it's getting better. The depression is leaving. I'm down to about 1/6 dose of my original medication. My name is Tom. I've been a patient here for many years, more exclusively just over the last few. And I do masonry construction. I have hobbies of fishing and hunting and traveling. And I would recommend Dr. Ray to anybody.